Hi there, Emmanuel here from empowermentteam.org, and today we're going to talk about how to make your first commission online using affiliate marketing. So I'm going to give you 4 ways, and I'll give you a little bonus way as well, but I'm going to just tell you the 4 things you should be doing, and these will make the chance of you making your first commission really high. If you do these things, you'll get your first commission. All right, so let's start off. So the first thing you want to be doing is you want to pick a niche. And I would say a lot of people think to themselves kind of a bit backwards. They think, right, let me pick a niche where not a lot of people are in it. You want to pick a niche with the most amount of competition, the huge amount of numbers. Because did you know that really all you need is 100 people, 100 true fans, they say, following you in order to make all the money you want to make. So if you pick these tiny little niches that have, say, 300 or 500 people in there, and to get 100 of those people to kind of know you, like you, trust you, and buy off you, that's almost a third of the people in there. Whereas if you pick a niche with 300 million people in there, then you just need a tiny few people in there to kind of know you, like you, trust you, and they'll buy off you, and then you'll make tons and tons of money from there. So pick a really competitive niche. And the 3 biggest ones out there are the make money online niche, the relationships, and meeting the opposite sex, and then weight loss. These are the niches you want to go after, because there's tons of people in there. There's loads of money in there. There's people who are in pain, and people buy off their pain, because they're seeking pleasure and they're in pain. If somebody's wanting to lose weight, they're desperate to lose this weight. Do you know what I mean? If you come along now and then they resonate with you and you show them, listen, there's this product that's helped you lose weight, they're more than likely to buy off you. If somebody's lonely and they want the opposite sex and they want a partner, and then you show them formulas and ways and books that they can read, and they trust you, they'll buy off you. Same with the make money. Somebody is they're struggling. They're doing their 9 to 5 and they're going through the grind and they're not happy, and then they think you can show them a way out of this grind. They're more likely to buy for you. So go for the most competitive niches with the most amount of people in there, because there's the most money in there, and those are the types of people they're in pain. Those are the people that have problems, because you're a problem solver at the end of the day, and you can help these people. So that's the first thing. Pick a massive niche, with loads and loads of competition in it. The second thing is find a product for that niche. Find a decent product that you think people in that niche will want to buy. I personally think you should try it, but you don't have to try. It's entirely up to you. But you get a product that you think people in there will want to buy, and you can sell it to them ethically. Do you know what I mean? That will help them with their problem, with whatever pain they're going through. And what I say is, when you find this product, put your spin on it. What tends to happen, especially in the affiliate marketing world, we'll get these products, these massive products. I'll think of one, Super Affiliate Network. That's a really massive product. You can make tons and tons of money with Super Affiliate Network, but because it's been going for so long, people know it. The people are all selling the same pages. They're all selling the same opt-in pages. It all looks very similar. So what tends to happen is somebody will come along, they'll see the pages, and they'll think, oh, I know this, I'm not interested. So what the top people tend to do, they put their own little spin on it. And I saw someone do this the other day, and the top marketers always do this. So learn from this. What they do is they take the product and they just put their own little page on it in front of it. They might put their own little opt-in page. They might make their own little video that introduces them, talks about the problems that the people are having, and then talks about solutions, that being the Super Affiliate Network. So they've just put their own little spin on it. They even change the name sometimes, and all the top marketers do that. So that's what you want to do. Once you picked your niche and you've got the product that you want to sell, then put your spin on it. Maybe write an article about it from your standpoint. Maybe put a video on about it from your standpoint. It's like what we call a bridge page almost. You change it up a tiny little bit. Then once you've got your product, now you want to find the people that are interested in that product. Where do they hang out? And there's loads of places on the internet that certain people, if we're talking about weight loss, for example, you can go onto forums. You just go into Google, put weight loss forums. There's tons of forums that you can go on and you can see what people are talking about, what their pains, what they're really struggling with. You can give value in that forum, and then you can actually tell them about your product or about the article that you wrote or the video that you made concerning that product, and then they go on to buy from you. Yeah, there's forums, there's Facebook, there's loads of Facebook groups out there about weight loss, tons of them. Do you know, you can just go onto Facebook, you see all these groups, you start participating in these groups and giving value. You know, people see you as an authority in there. You start to build that 100 tribe I was talking about earlier. Then people will be more likely to follow your links and to buy your stuff. Yeah, or if you're doing paid advertising, paid Facebook advertising is amazing. Facebook has got so much information on people. They can tell you their sex, where they live, how much money they make, what their interests are, how long they've been trying to lose weight. Basically, you can just talk to your ideal customer. Yeah, I mean, other places, YouTube as well. You can do YouTube videos if you want. You find out what people are in pain about in your niche. You make a video about it. Articles, you can write articles about it. One little tip for you is usually the person that you're trying to target. If you have bought something in a niche, and another thing I forgot, make sure it's something that you're passionate about. Make sure it's something that you really understand and you feel passion for, and it's just so easy to sell. Because if you do that, then the tip I was trying to tell you was, if you have passion for it, then your ideal customer is really yourself. You know, what did you struggle with in that niche? Do you know what I mean? What was it that you felt that you really needed to change if you were trying to lose weight? Do you know, what was it? Do you know, did you want to lose the belly fat? Because there's other people out there that are going through the exact same thing as you, and you can talk from so much authority when you have passion for it. Do you know? So find out where these people hang out. They're all over the internet, you know, forums, YouTube, Google, everywhere. Do you know, Instagram, they're all over the internet. You just got to go there, find out where they hang out, find out what their problems are. And then finally, number 4, you get in front of 100 people a day, if you can, as quickly as you can anyway, 100 people, because that's about the sweet spot. That's what we find, especially in affiliate marketing. If you can get your offer in front of 100 people, then you're going to get that one sale. That's about the conversion rates. You know, as you get better, as you start to do other more advanced things like building a list, giving value to your list, all this sort of stuff, maybe making videos, maybe doing trainings, maybe doing webinars, as all that comes later on, then your numbers will get better. So instead of just getting one sale in 100, you might get 2 or 3, you know, and then you'll get more sales as you go along. But initially, once you know where the people hang out, get your offer in front of 100 people as soon as you can. However you do that, maybe making free articles, maybe doing, like I said, getting on the forums, giving value, telling people about yourself, telling people about what you offer, maybe making videos, maybe writing articles. You get your offer in front of 100 people, and then you'll make that first sale. Do you know? And then once you've done that, the bonus is just rinse and repeat. Just keep doing that over and over and over again, and you'll start to get better. And as I said, as you build, as you start to learn how to do certain value things and giving people value, then your numbers will go up as well. Instead of 1 in 100, it'll be 2 in 100, maybe 3 in 100, and then it'll just snowball and get better and better and better. Do you know? So those are the things you need to do to get your first commission online using affiliate marketing. Find that niche, competitive niche. Find the product that fits with that niche. Go out, find products. They're all over the place. ClickBank is one of them if you want to use that. Find the product that fits with the niche. Put your spin on it as well. Find where the people hang out. Find where the people that are interested in this sort of stuff hang out. All the places I gave you, do you know? Then get it in front of 100 people, and then you'll get their first sale. Do you know? So listen, I hope that helped. I hope you got some value from that. If you did, and you want to actually learn where I learned all this stuff from, then I'm going to leave a link below this video. You can click on that and you can get completely free access to a 4-part affiliate marketing course that I've put out there that will teach you more about all of this, teach you about traffic, teach you about leads, teach you about sales, help you with all of this affiliate marketing stuff, help you along your journey, do you know? And also you'll get access to my #1 recommendation as well, that will, again, from a mentor of mine, that will teach you everything you need to know to go from where you are to a place where you are getting sales, you know. So if that's of interest to you, then there'll be a link below this video. But either way, I hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. If you are on YouTube and you like my channel, then please, give me a subscribe and also tick on the bell icon. All right, once again, thanks for listening. Till next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.